Welcome to our What's New in 2021 series. I'm James and I will take you through the updates for SOLIDWORKS CAM. As production scales, you may need to expand your capabilities to include manufacturing. A recent redesign of this sensor mounting bracket is a perfect opportunity to put SOLIDWORKS CAM to work. A default stock bounding box fits perfectly to the finished part. New in SOLIDWORKS CAM 2021, predefined bounding box gives you the ability to represent standard rectangular stock. For example, a 6-inch piece of 6-inch wide, 3/8 inch, 60/61 bar. Save, update and share your go-to sizes through the technology database. With the automatic feature recognition, you can generate an initial strategy in under a minute. This initial toolpath simulation is looking good. Let's take a look inside this drill operation. New in 2021, you can define PEC parameters to respect your tool diameter or fluke length. More control of point-to-point operations like drilling lets me capture best practices robustly. Of course, the technology database stores how you want to do this in the shop, and that means your preferences become your next defaults. As it turns out, there is a supply on hand of 8-inch wide bar. I will make the changes to save that predefined stock to my TechDB. In 2021, a new prompt for rebuild is presented when stock is modified. Everything from my coordinate system feature to the thread operations need to be rebuilt. You are more aware of exactly what is updating in your program. Speaking of updates, how about swapping around material instead? New in 2021, cylindrical stock is generated automatically. CAM will fit the minimum diameter and thickness, and with a few changes you can see what the program looks like with 8-inch aluminium. If you share your post between programmers, no one needs to be hunting around in their C drive. A new setting in the TechDB for 2021 provides the option to specify a default post folder. Pretty handy if you want to keep updated when folder locations change.